How to promote your video as beginner in 2021, 12 secrets to making your video go viral. Are you a beginner on YouTube? Have you uploaded videos, but they are hardly receiving any viewers and subscribers? Do you admire senior YouTubers with millions of views on their channels? If any of these is your current problem, relax, because all the answers you need are here. In this video you are going to learn how to promote your new YouTube video effectively, using 12 secrets to making your video go viral. If you are new to this channel, my name is Hannington. I am an internet marketer, and I teach you multiple simple ways to make easy money on the internet. If this is your desire, then pause and click the subscribe button for more ideas on making money on the internet, step by step. Also click the bell icon to notify you whenever I publish another educative video. And in the comments write, "I subscribed," to enable me respond to your comment instantly. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to give you one of my top money-making programs on the internet. And if you have not watched our exclusive series yet, just check down in the description for the playlist link, so that you do not miss any step in your journey to make easy money on YouTube. I want to show you how to effectively promote your videos on every channel you start. One common mistake with new YouTubers is that when they start a YouTube channel, they think that all they have to do is upload a good video and viewers will just flock in to view and subscribe. That is a very wrong assumption. When you first publish a video, hardly any viewers watch it because nobody knows you. Not until you have uploaded a good number of videos, and you have made an effort to promote your channel or the individual videos themselves, will you realize some tangible results. If you didn't know, you must understand one important thing, that over 500 hours of video content is uploaded to YouTube every single minute. So, you must always keep in mind the competition you need to beat to have your videos seen. To overcome this challenge, I want to reveal to you the 12 top secrets to successful video promotion. Secret number 1. Plan a backlog of videos long before publishing. This will enable you to work with ease and publish your videos on schedule. You will therefore be able to publish and promote your videos adequately to all search platforms. You will also have plenty of ideas to make videos about, and produce several videos in a particular niche, which support each other. Secret number 2. Exploit search engine optimization, and make videos on trending topics. SEO is the foundation of success on YouTube. So, to promote your video as a beginner, you want your videos to always feature in search or in suggested videos. You must therefore exploit SEO principles. All search engines, especially YouTube in particular, offer you a list of most searched keywords when you write your search topic, and some keyword planners indicate the real search volume. You can make videos on a few of the suggested topics. Secondly, search for a word or niche on YouTube in incognito mode. The first videos you get are the best promoted in that niche. These videos are your assets in your struggle to rank high in that niche. Use a tool called TubeBuddy or VDIQ to optimize your videos. Tutorials for these are many on YouTube. If you make a video with a title around trending topics and keywords, you can be sure to get more views on your videos. The world is always going through challenges, and people are constantly searching for solutions to their problems. So, people will always write their search topics on Google, YouTube, and other search engines. To find trending topics, just write a niche in YouTube search, and you will see the list of topics people are searching currently. These topics most often haven't become very competitive and can qualify in the high search low competition titles, which you need in order to rank high on YouTube. You only need to make a small change in the titles to get a low competition, high search, long tail title. Secret number 3. Remodeling popular videos. Find a very popular video in a niche, and remodel it to produce your own and republish it. You do not have to copy it or use similar examples, but once you grasp the idea they are talking about, put it in your own perspective, research about it, add more information to make it better and build a new video out of it. Some of the ways you can make your video better than the original in that niche include building on a proven principle and then making it longer, clearer, and more convincing and more educative. Then, to promote your video as a beginner, when you upload it, use most of the exact keywords from the popular video in your video's title, description, and tags. Now, your video will most likely appear in the suggested videos next to the original popular video. Therefore, a good number of people will click to watch it. Your video will go viral, its view count will grow, and most likewise subscribers to your channel. Secret number 4. Channel branding. To promote your video as a beginner, build your own unique channel brand. If you want to stand out as a unique personality or channel, you must build your YouTube channel brand using a few well-selected colors and design. People will trust a channel with a clear message than one with a junk of images, which are difficult to fish out what they actually mean. It is also more attractive to make your thumbnails and channel art match up, which helps your channel to have a consistent brand. This will also make it stand out among many others. Secret number 5. Video click-through rate. Your video must stand out as unique to attract viewers to click on it. The video CTR determines a lot about the amount of views your video receives. The YouTube logarithm uses click-through rate as a measure for determining how much your video is liked, and therefore rank it higher and higher. Click-through rate and audience retention determine the success of your video. In fact, it is an established fact that YouTube recommends videos that people show interest in. That is according to the YouTube Creator Studio. So, the most recommended way to improve click-through rate is to create colorful thumbnails in the range of 3 to 4 contrasting colors with brief to the point texts. Secret number 6. Ask your viewers to subscribe, like, and share. You are delivering a message in video to your viewers for a definite purpose. To promote your video as a beginner, clearly ask your viewers to subscribe, like, click the bell, and share your video. It is always advisable to speak out your opinion if you want people to understand you. Therefore, if you want people to subscribe to your channel, say it out clearly. You could also add captions and pop-ups to remind the viewer to subscribe. A direct call to action is a very effective way to turn viewers into subscribers. Normally, the most common practice is to make a call to action at the end of the video, but it has been noted that adding a call to subscribe at the beginning and in the middle makes a big positive difference. Make your call to subscribe more attractive by putting a reward or benefit for subscribing. For example, in this video I say, our aim with this channel is to give you as much value as we can, so, if you have gotten some value in this video, please subscribe and hit the bell, so that you get all our future videos. Secret number 7. Build a relationship and interact with your subscribers. Start building a subscriber list as soon as your videos are published. These will always be the first to know whenever you publish a new video. Every subscriber is a real person, with a mind, a soul, and feelings. To promote your video as a beginner, you will need their support, encouragement, and constructive criticism from them. Interact with them by replying to their comments regularly and promptly. Also link with them on forums and social media sites. Secret number 8. Post your links on video promotion and social media sites. To promote your video as a beginner, there are a good number of sites that are frequently visited by millions of people. Quora and Pinterest are among the most visited sites for solving particular problems. Facebook groups go a long way in alleviating solving people's burning problems. If you can identify the relevant and active groups for your niche, then your video and probably the entire channel will reap more views and subscribers. Instagram and Twitter are other highly trafficked sites that you can make great use of. So share your videos on these forums, and you will be surprised at the rate of growth of your channel viewership. However, you obviously don't want to start spamming these sites, but like every good-mannered person does, you must build a relationship before you post any link. In brief, you should like and comment on some of their posts, engage in their discussions and ask questions. Then you use your video to suggest a solution to someone's problem step by step. This will make your video go viral. Secret number 9. Video publication shout-out. You want to have an initial boost in view count to make it attract many viewers. Before you make a video public, make a shout-out to your subscribers. This is easily made by mail, community forum post, or subsequent videos. Mention why people should anticipate for your video. You can preview a new video in a community post whenever you are about to publish a new video. This has the advantage of building up anticipation for the upcoming video, which leads to more views and subscriptions. Secret number 10. Commenting on your competitors' videos. To promote your video as a beginner, as often as possible, watch and comment on your competitors' new videos as soon as they are uploaded. By commenting here, you plunge yourself into another community of like-minded people. And if you engage with them by writing supportive and constructive comments, you attract friends who become viewers and eventually subscribers. Try to be among the first people to view their new videos, and comment immediately. This requires you to click the bell icon on the big channel you subscribe to, and also regularly check your YouTube channel for comments. Secret number 11. Re-optimize your older videos. Take time to study your channel statistics and re-optimize some of your videos to capture more viewership. Whereas there's not much you can do to edit or change published YouTube videos, you can edit them by going back and changing the video's title, description, tags, end screens, and thumbnails. Use this option to improve the viewership of your old videos. This can help some of your earlier videos get extra views every month, and will attract more subscribers. Secret number 12. Take time to study your analytics. To promote your video as a beginner, you need to be well informed about the key points regarding your video's promotion potential. Study the click-through rate to find out what percentage of people click through to watch your video. Study view duration, watch time, and the audience retention to find out how long people are watching your videos. Find where they are dropping off, and change the tactics to keep them on. Find out your traffic sources, and also exactly which videos are getting the most traffic, and then capitalize more on those kind of videos in order to capture that traffic. Once again, I hope you realize that our aim with this channel is to give you as much value as we can for free. For more ideas on making money on the internet, if you haven't, click subscribe and thumbs up to get more educative videos of a similar nature in future. Thanks. So, let us continue. Now, some work for you to do. As promised, I want to give you one of the top money-making programs on the internet. If you want to realize tangible success in your struggle fast, take action right now. Choose one or both options here. 1. For very special coaching and one-on-one guidance, I recommend you to join the best program I would presently recommend for you. Click the first link in the description. 2. If you still want to learn from me for free as a beginner, watch my free tutorials video series playlist, and bookmark that page. Click the second link in the description. Yes, you can promote your YouTube video as beginner. Others have done it, and continue doing it. You can do it too, if you put in the effort. Thank you for watching.